Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And now that we got that out of the way, in today's video we're going to go over the best GoPro mounting spots on a car. So as you guys see in my previous videos, this is my F80 M3, and I'm going to show you guys my favorite GoPro mounting spots on this car. So let's get it.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. You already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.